In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep track of new features and announcements from Canva. If you use Canva regularly, staying up to date can save you a lot of time and help you discover tools, design options, and workflow improvements as soon as they're released. Canva updates often, so knowing where to look makes it much easier to keep your designs current and take advantage of new features right away. One of the best places to start is the official Canva Launches page. This page is designed to highlight new features, product updates, and major announcements directly from Canva. To find it, open your browser and go to Canva's Launches section on the official website. Once you're there, take a few moments to browse through the latest updates. This is especially helpful if you want a central place to see what's new without having to search through multiple sources. Another useful source is the Canva newsroom. Canva regularly publishes roundup articles there that summarize recent updates and improvements. These What's New posts can be a great option if you prefer a more organized overview instead of reviewing individual announcements one by one. When you visit the newsroom, look for the latest roundup article and read through it to see which new features might be relevant to the way you work. This is a simple way to stay informed about changes across the platform, including tools for design, collaboration, presentations, and more. You can also stay connected to inspiration and updates from inside Canva itself by following your favorite template designers directly in the desktop version of the platform. If you often use templates from specific creators, this can be a helpful way to keep seeing their latest work and stay aware of new design styles or ideas as they appear. Open Canva on desktop, find a template designer whose work you like, and follow their profile inside the platform. This adds another layer to staying updated, because you're not only tracking official feature announcements, but also seeing how creators are putting Canva's tools into practice. A good tip is to check these sources regularly, rather than waiting until you feel behind. Even a quick visit every so often can help you spot useful changes early and improve the way you use Canva. By using the Canva Launches page, reading newsroom roundup posts, and following template designers on desktop, you'll have a simple and reliable system for keeping up with everything new on Canva.